What's happening, people? It's your boy, Terrence.
And your boy, Seth.
And we're outside. Yeah, you know what that means on this channel. DIY giant bacon. Today, we're fitting a bake. A giant KitKat. We've been banging on about it.
Not just a KitKat.
No, listen to this,
A
boys.
KitKat Chunky.
Huh?
But not just KitKat Chunky. Cookies and cream KitKat Chunky.
Delicious, mate. So, as does we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 bits and pieces.
Might be more than 4, I'm telling you.
And maybe, you know, the recipe is all up in our head tops here. We've got nothing written down. So we're gonna go home, bake these items, and give you man a taste test. Let's go! Okay, so to start, you wanna get your chocolate bar. Bars, ooh! And you chop them up just like that.
We melted this off camera because that takes way too long. Here is the mold for our KitKat, and we want to put a nice thick layer at the bottom.
Everyone loves a bit of chocolate.
You want to make sure you get nice and close to the edges.
Yeah, spread it round, cover the whole base, because the base will now become the top.
Oh, I didn't think of that.
Yeah, you gotta think about that. What goes next, Ethan?
We put the base to go freeze, and now we're going to put some double cream in a bowl.
Now you gotta whisk it, yeah, mix it up, make it nice and thick.
But before you do that, you're going to want to put in your vanilla extract so it tastes lovely.
You fellas want the flavors now, right?
I definitely do.
Yeah. And can't forget ice and sugar, you know. We love our sweet things.
It also helps it have a bit more body to it.
We're a couple sweet boys who like sweet things.
Oh.
There you go, big mix, big mix. Once it's floofed up like this, yeah, tell them what we're putting in, boys.
We're going to put in some crushed up Oreos.
Well, now we do love Oreos. At home, if you want, you can do a double stuff.
We're going to mix that until it's nice and homogeneous.
See, what's homogeneous?
It's when it all comes together as one. It's all nice.
All together.
Like society should be.
Fellas lost their flat. Creamy fun there. Once it's all come together, you want to put it inside your now frozen chocolate base. Now remember, it's not the base, it'll be the top. Put it in, and then spread it around.
You want to make sure you don't go too close to the edge. We still want room for the chocolate later.
Remember, leave just a bit of edge, boys.
Now we're going to put this to freeze. Oh, we didn't put it to freeze.
Or is that already frozen? Listen,
it's already frozen.
Listen, we do the voiceovers after, of course, mate.
We're going to put the wafers in it. What's a KitKat without a wafer?
Just a bloody chalky bar, mate. Now again, you got to leave room around the edge like a moat on a castle. Then you pour your chocolate in said moat, filling it up. Now these boys and girls will become the sides of the KitKat.
This took me 7 chocolate bars.
Fellas, you're thinking, why is he moving so fast? We had to fast forward that for that. And of course you put the bottom one, and then you put him in the freezer. And fellas, it's time for the reveal. So Stephen, name the creation and bring it out.
Let's name it first. Well, it started off as a KitKat Chunky.
That's right.
I think the Lit Cat.
Lit cat.
Hunky is because...
Hunky fellas, and it's totally litty. Bust it out. Show the boys and girls. They're focused on there. We've got no off cameraman there. So
there might be.
Right, give a cut, mate. Get a knife.
Would you like to cut?
I'll do it.
Because I can't be trusted with knives.
Yeah, he's troublesome. Oh my, fellas. We did freeze it.
Because we did make this a while back. I say a while back.
Oh no.
Today. What happened?
I put my whole weight in that, boys.
Do you need my weight?
Ooh, crumbles, lad. Rotisserie. Pop it up for the camera. Now the camera might have some wobbles here. This is a situational problem.
To be fair, your one looks cleaner because
Get some focus there on that, yeah. Let's get our faces out there, so I hope that focuses. You do get the distinct cream filling at the top, the cookies and cream filling. Now how are we eating this? Rascal business.
Yeah, a bit rascal business.
Yeah.
But the cream top
Gonna break my teeth.
The cream tart more time. Yeah, but your teeth break over chicken, so.
He's rude, mate. My mouth's not even that big, bro.
Yeah, I don't know how we're taking it. Oh, that chocolate, I can't break that.
I can. I got strong teeth.
It's more like ice cream now.
Mm.
I ain't complaining.
The walls are hella thick, bro. Let me show them now. See the walls, yeah?
Do you wanna know why they're hella thick? The container that we used to do it, it's got like sloped edges. Fully, on parts of it, that chocolate is over a centimetre thick.
That's a lot of water, really. God damn.
Wallahi, that hurt. But what are you saying, man?
I like it. Maybe the walls are a bit too thick.
But
Yeah.
but it had to be. It had to be.
So I recommend, fellas, if you're gonna make this one, have strong teeth. That's a lot of chocolates.
I do think this has been better than quite a few, like taste-wise. Been better than quite a few of the other ones we've done.
Cheers.
Yeah. What are you saying? What are you saying?
I like some of the other ones, you know.
No, but I'm saying like don't get me wrong. You get like the pancake cake. Yeah, they taste better.
Yes.
I think this is better than quite a few.
Now, fellas, you could actually put some peppermint oil in the chocolate and have a mint KitKat, you know. Could do the same with orange, have an orange KitKat. Hey, give them variations to try at home. Why the hell not?
Instead of this icing, you could just put peanut butter in it. Because there is a
If you're a
peanut
fan.
butter KitKat.
Fellas don't like peanut butter, so we can't do that. Oh, I enjoyed this bake. Did you enjoy this bake?
Very much so. Very much so.
You guys enjoyed the bake, you know what I do, yeah? There's a button over there. Smash that like
No.
button. What?
Yeah.
Smash the like button, you bastards.
No. I don't care if they like it or not. I just want them to.
Why do you show them your face, bro? All these creams on your gaff. Go on. Pop my close, mate. Let me ask. I'm getting a focus on you, boy. So, fellas, get a little bib, yes, you can do
But
this.
boss. I don't care if they like it. I don't care if they comment. I don't care if they do any of that. As long as they subscribe. Alright.
You said, fellas, we look at the analytics and what percent are not subscribed? Too many.
Yeah, I
That's the
think
percent, bro.
it pretty much says everyone.
You know, a bunch of rascals here.
So-
Big up you, man, who do subscribe, yeah? But if you're not yet, subscribe. And if you subscribe,
Do it again.
you'll see us.
Every week.
I was gonna sign off, bro.
Oh, try again.
And if you do subscribe, you can see us in the next one. Ding! Gotta put a cheeky ding in there. Honestly, these balls are hella fat, man. Broke up my teeth.